Midfielder Kanté is one of the friendliest players, who avoids the spotlight and rarely gives interviews. Despite his shyness, he has become an idol at the clubs where he has played and even won a World Cup. However, one of the most humble football players has been going through a behind-the-scenes drama, and I will tell you everything about it now. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and enable notifications. Here, we provide you with breaking news and fascinating facts firsthand. Perhaps you didn't make the connection, but N'Golo Kanté left Leicester for Chelsea and helped them lift the English Premier League trophy again in the 2016-2017 season. He was the same player who, once again playing for Chelsea, won the 2018-2019 Europa League title and played a crucial role in France's victory at the World Cup in Russia, which led to a spectacular celebration on the streets of Paris. As the son of immigrants, Kanté worked as a garbage collector in Paris. He needed to bring food home and help his father, who had passed away when Kanté was only 11 years old. On top of having to support his family by working on the streets of the French capital, Kanté faced another obstacle when he lost his father at a young age. After fighting for a place in the tiny Chourisons team, N'Golo moved to the also small Boulogne before joining Cannes. Kanté always knew that football could open doors for a better life and took the opportunity early on to study and graduate in accounting. He quickly secured a place in the first team and became a standout player the following year when the team returned to the French First Division. From there, he went on to win the league with Leicester, a small club that had become a giant, and then repeated the feat at Chelsea. Celebrated by his teammates for his hard work on the field, N'Golo Kanté has already collected numerous trophies, tackles, and stories along the way. However, he has always lived a drama. Since the beginning of his career, he was taken advantage of by businessmen. Being introverted, he didn't mind the contract clauses, and several businessmen made a lot of money off Kanté. The drama for Kanté happened in 2017, during his first season with Chelsea. The player fell victim to an ambush, where they put him in a dark car and pointed a gun at his knee, threatening to end his football career. The people who did this wanted Kanté to leave his current agent and let them take care of his career because they had known each other for a long time, an extremely dirty move. A relative of Kanté gave an interview to L'Equipe and said the following about this situation. For his mental health, it would be better if he stopped playing football not too late. As long as he plays, the same people will be there. Something more recent that has affected Kanté quite a bit was the transfer of German defender Rudiger to Real Madrid. Over the years, Rudiger has become one of Kanté's closest friends. At Chelsea, the two shared the same values and even the same religion, so it was common to see them together even outside of club activities. With Rudiger's transfer to Real, Kanté was quite shaken. L'Equipe contacted Kanté to speak about these cases, but as always, he preferred to maintain his discretion. I am very focused on Chelsea, where I am very happy and eager to get back on the field. And what do you think of the player Kanté? Do you think he has the ability to remain among the best in world football? We already know that his charisma and humility have won over everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please help us by subscribing to the channel and clicking the like button, also activate notifications. See you next time.